700 plus horsepower in a classic 1970 Camaro, this Restomod is an absolute monster, and you won't believe what's hiding under the hood. The 1970 Chevrolet Camaro is already one of the most legendary American muscle cars ever built. But what happens when you take that timeless design and blend it with modern engineering, supercar level performance, and handcrafted luxury? You get this breathtaking 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod, a machine built to dominate the road while turning heads everywhere it goes. From the very first glance, this Camaro demands attention. Its custom gray paint gives the body a sleek, aggressive presence, while the painted bumpers, shaved trim, custom lighting, front splitter, and bold rear wing create a modern pro touring look without sacrificing the iconic lines that made the 1970 Camaro a legend. Every angle reveals incredible craftsmanship, proving that no detail was overlooked. But the real story begins beneath the hood. Powering this incredible machine is a GM LS7 V8 engine, one of Chevrolet's most respected performance power plants. Sitting proudly on top is a Magnuson Supercharger, transforming this already impressive engine into an absolute powerhouse capable of producing breathtaking performance. Feeding fresh air into the engine is a cold air intake, while stainless steel long tube headers help maximize airflow and unleash an unforgettable exhaust note that every muscle car enthusiast dreams of hearing. Backing this incredible engine is a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission, putting complete control into the driver's hands. Every shift feels mechanical, precise, and rewarding. Power is transferred through a Detroit Speed 9-inch rear end equipped with a 3.731 Posi gear, delivering incredible traction and explosive acceleration whenever the throttle is pressed. Performance isn't just about straight-line speed. This Camaro has been engineered to handle corners with confidence, thanks to its Detroit Speed front subframe, rack-and-pinion power steering, tubular control arms, custom suspension, and performance sway bars. These upgrades completely transform the driving experience, making this classic muscle car feel remarkably modern while preserving its raw character. When it's time to slow down, massive Wilwood 6-piston disc brakes provide exceptional stopping power. Whether cruising through city streets or attacking winding roads, braking performance inspires confidence every mile. Completing the aggressive stance are stunning Forgeline 3-piece center lock wheels. Wrapped in massive 275/35 R18 front tires and enormous 335/30 R18 rear tires, this Camaro grips the pavement with authority while giving it a planted, race-inspired appearance that's impossible to ignore. Take a closer look underneath, and the attention to detail continues. The undercoated floor, fresh hardware throughout, frame ties, mandrel bent 3-inch stainless steel exhaust system, mini tubbed rear section, and electronic parking brake showcase a level of craftsmanship usually reserved for world-class custom builds. This isn't simply restored, it's engineered. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a completely custom red leather interior that feels more like a luxury grand tourer than a classic muscle car. Diamond-stitched leather covers the seats, while custom door panels, a beautifully designed dashboard, and a custom center console create an upscale atmosphere. In front of the driver sits a Billet Specialties steering wheel, perfectly paired with Dakota digital gauges that blend modern technology with classic styling. Long road trips become even more enjoyable thanks to the premium Alpine sound system and Sirius radio, delivering crystal clear entertainment wherever the journey leads. Even the trunk has been fully finished, proving that every inch of this Camaro received the same uncompromising attention. This isn't just a show car. It's built to be driven, it's built to perform, it's built to leave unforgettable impressions wherever it goes. The combination of legendary 1970 Camaro styling, a supercharged LS7 V8, Tremec 6-speed manual transmission, Detroit speed suspension, Wilwood braking system, Forgeline center lock wheels, and handcrafted luxury interior makes this one of the finest pro touring Camaros you'll ever see. Available through Vanguard Motor Sales, details. This incredible Restomod also comes with access to fast and competitive financing, making the dream of owning a world-classic muscle car more achievable than ever. The 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod proves that true legends never fade, they simply evolve. It honors the golden age of American muscle while embracing today's performance technology, creating an unforgettable driving experience that few automobiles can match. If you love rare classic muscle cars, high-end Restomods, and breathtaking automotive craftsmanship, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because there's always another incredible machine waiting to be discovered.